Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, potting up peppers. My peppers have already germinated. We're about 4 to 6 weeks past that, probably closer to 6 to 8 weeks. And first up, I'm going to pot up some coral bell peppers. Now, this is just straight potting soil. I use a bagged potting soil. I like to compress it down a little bit. Still keep it a little fluffy on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the seedlings that have germinated and I'm going to pry them out and do my best not to damage the roots. Place them on top of the bottom of the potting soil and then fill in around them with some fluffy potting soil. I'm going to do that with all 5 of the coral bell that have germinated. Compress a little bit, not too much. You don't want to crush the roots. It's really important to be careful not to crush the roots. They're very, very fragile. So fill in around, and don't forget, most important, to label them. All pepper plants start to look alike at a certain point, so label them. Next up, give them a good watering in. Once you've transplanted them, there's a little bit of shock. So next I'm going to transplant my Purple Beauty peppers that have grown. You'll see in some of them that I've got 2 seeds that have germinated. I will pick the healthier of the 2. I will pluck the roots out of the other one. Just it's heartless, but you got to do it. Similar thing, I make a little hole, a depression in the potting soil. I'm going to do the same for my Golden California Wonder peppers. Always label them and then water them in. Put them back under the grow lights. No heat mats once you've potted them up. And then here's a list of what I sowed and when I potted them up. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.